welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonali and you're watching GlamFab. So today I'll be reviewing the product I was overviewing a week before. If you haven't watched that video, please go and watch. And one more thing, I was out of town and couldn't connect then, so I'll be reviewing the product today. So let's get straight to the topic without wasting any time. So here's the product in my hand. So the name of the foundation is Milani's Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation plus Concealer in the shade Light Natural 00. It's available in 7 shades in India, from light to medium skin tones. Unfortunately, this product isn't available for dusky beauties and I don't know why, and I think the company should make it available as soon as possible. But if you are a dusky beauty and you really want to try this product, you can go for Sand and Warm Beige. But you should probably go for Sand Beige because it is for medium skin for warmer undertone. So Warm Beige is for medium skin tones with rosy undertones. Whenever buying a foundation, make sure that you buy one tone lighter than your skin tone, which is very important because later on it neutralizes with your skin, and it is advisable from my side that if you're having an oily skin tone, I think you should not go for it. And if you really want to go for it, I request you to apply a compact or a powder after you apply the foundation so that it fades away. And it is very suitable for dry skin, as I am having a dry skin, and it completely blends on my skin, making it nice. But it is very cakey. So 1.5 pump is enough for you, and the best thing about this is it comes with a pump so that you can apply it without getting confused. As it says that it does concealing, no it doesn't, and I request you to apply a concealer. Don't depend fully on it. You have to apply concealer. You have to, like, how can I wish I could make you see, but you have to apply a concealer. It is wet proof, yeah it is, but it doesn't last long. As it says that it lasts long, I could say that it lasts for 4 to 5 hours maximum, not more than that. And it gives, it does give you medium to full coverage, but it is not lightweight. When you are actually applying this product and after you have applied it, you feel like your skin cannot breathe fully when you have applied this. So I don't know, I had lots of expectations from this product, though it didn't turn out to be the way I was expecting it to be, as it is 1345 and 1345 is not a small amount. I give it 4 out of 5. And if you want to try this product, you can go just for one time. So let me show a demo of this product. See how thick it really is. I used half a pump of it in order to let you guys know how the product really is. So you can actually have a look how thicky the foundation really is. And the good thing about this product is that you don't have to face any kind of photo flash or flashbacks, and it's most of the time where you guys encounter those kind of situations. If you really like the video, please hit thumbs up and subscribe to it. Thank you for watching. Love you lots.